Hey, it's Lucy from Digistorm, and this is how to get the most out of your school Instagram account. Instagram is a great marketing tool to showcase your school, engage with your community, and attract prospective parents. But to get these benefits, you'll need to follow some best practices. First, we recommend creating a school hashtag that you can include in your posts. Hashtags will help you build a library of content, as well as encourage user-generated content. You can also jump on trending hashtags to help increase your brand awareness. Next, you want to make sure that you're always thinking outside of the box for content ideas. Instagram is a creative platform, so use it as an opportunity to showcase your school through a combination of photos, videos, and Instagram stories. Once you have some content banked, you need to be posting regularly. Aim to post around 2 to 3 times a week to keep your followers engaged. Lastly, it's important that your profile is always kept up to date, with your school name, website URL, description, and contact details. And that's it. If you want more social media tips, download our complete social media toolkit for schools. See you next time.